Hi and welcome to Trade of the Week. There were plenty of trades to choose from this week, mostly equity related, but I've picked a trade to show how Fibonacci helped me to go short of EuroSterling. Now I love banging on about Fibonacci, and here's another example. Speculation over whether the Eurozone would bail out Greece hit the Euro hard in January, but last week it clawed back some of its ground. However, the rally petered out at the 38.2% Fib retracement of January's high to low, and this was my amber warning light to look for a reversal signal. I scrolled down to the 30-minute chart to look for an entry trigger. The rally on Monday morning failed to reach the overnight highs, and a series of candles were unable to close above the 21-period moving average. The MACD and RSI were also losing momentum, so I targeted a break below the 1230 doji, selling £10 at 87.70. My reason for entering the trade was a failure to break above 87.80, so I was happy to use a tight stop at 87.90, and on a £10 bet the risk was limited to £200. A £10 bet is top of the range for me, so I set a tight limit order to take some money off the table at 87.50. That was the level that had found support earlier in the morning. There looked to be possible support at 87.20 as well, so I set a T2 limit order to buy back a fiver there. Then I'd run the remaining £2 with a stop loss at break even. A complete retrace of the rally would see a price return to 86.50, but with the UK GDP numbers due out on Tuesday, I was keen to go flat before the close. The price fell steadily throughout the afternoon, hitting my limit orders of 87.50 and 87.20. I was nearly spooked by the hammer candle at 3 o'clock, but waited for a test of resistance at 87.50. The test failed and the price continued to fall. I closed the trade just after 5 o'clock, buying back £2 when the green candle moved above the previous doji. It's down here. The move higher didn't last, but that didn't matter. The price oscillators were recovering from an oversold position, and I was locking in a profitable trade. So adding together all the bits, I made 20 pips on £3, 50 pips on £5 and 52 pips on £2, giving a total profit of £414 for a risk of £200. Have a good weekend.